Hello everyone, my name is Matthew and this is Learn the Lingo. Welcome to Lesson 13 of Hebrew Basics, a series where we learn the essentials of Hebrew grammar. Today we are going to be learning the Hebrew word for no or not, which is lo, spelled with an aleph at the end. In certain cases, lo can be translated as no, as in the simple sentence lo, no. But it can also be translated as not. To say he is not rich, we say hu, he, no word for is in Hebrew, not is lo, and rich is ashir. Hu lo ashir. He is not rich. Hu lo ashir. To say she is not bad, we say he, she, lo, not ra'ah. Bad in feminine singular form. He lo ra'ah. She is not bad. He lo ra'ah. These sentences don't have an actual verb in Hebrew, so now let's see some sentences that do. To say I do not eat, we'll start with ani, I. When translating do not or does not into Hebrew, we can ignore the do or does and just translate not as lo. Since this sentence is in the present tense, we know that the verb eat will be either ochel in masculine singular form or ochelet in feminine singular form, depending on whether the speaker I is a man or a woman. Ani lo ochel, I do not eat in masculine form, and ani lo ochelet, I do not eat in feminine form. To say they do not want meat, we'll first have they, which is heim or hein. Let's say we're talking about a mixed group of both men and women, which means that we'll need to use heim, the they pronoun that can be used for groups of all men, but also for mixed groups. Next is do not. In Hebrew, we only need to translate not into lo. We can ignore the word do. Next comes the verb, again in the present tense. The masculine singular form of the verb wants is rotzeh. To put this in masculine plural form, to agree with the masculine plural pronoun heim, we take off the e ending and then add im to get rotzim. And the last word is meat, basar in Hebrew. Hem lo rotzim basar. They do not want meat. Hem lo rotzim basar. Let's learn a new verb from the root resh aleph he. The root resh aleph he has a meaning of seeing. Note that the third letter of this root is he, and so the present tense of this verb will be like that of the root resh tzadi he. For the present tense of roots ending with he, we start with the first letter resh, ra, followed by a vav with cholam, o. Next comes the second letter, aleph, which is silent. For the masculine singular form of the present tense, a segol will go on the second letter, and the word will end with the third letter, the silent he. So we have ro'eh, sees in masculine singular form. The other forms are made by taking the segol and he off of the masculine singular form and then adding the respective endings, and ah to get ro'ah, sees in feminine singular form, and im to get ro'im, see in masculine plural form, and an ot ending to get ro'ot, see in feminine plural form. To say he sees, he is hu, and sees is the masculine singular form of this verb, ro'eh. Hu ro'eh, he sees. She sees uses the feminine singular form to get he ro'ah, she sees. He ro'ah. And they see is either masculine heim ro'im or feminine hein ro'ot. Heim ro'im and hein ro'ot. Let's say I do not see a bird. I is ani. We don't need to translate do, not is lo, and see is either masculine singular ro'eh or feminine singular ro'ah. Again, this depends on the gender of the speaker. Since I'm a man, I'll use ro'eh. Ani lo ro'eh, I do not see a bird, tzipor. Ani lo ro'eh tzipor, I do not see a bird. Ani lo ro'eh tzipor. And let's do one more sentence. We do not see a cake. We is anachnu, not is lo, and see must be either masculine plural ro'im or feminine plural ro'ot, to agree with the plural pronoun anachnu. A cake is uga. אנחנו לא רואים עוגה. We do not see a cake in masculine form. Or אנחנו לא רואות עוגה. We do not see a cake in feminine form. אנחנו לא רואים עוגה and אנחנו לא רואות עוגה. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn more Hebrew, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.